Hey everyone, Gil here at Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about fire survival plans. And you notice this time I said plans, multiple. With this one here, there's all sorts of different types of fire survival plans. If you do a big plan and have it broken up into different addendums and stuff, you have it broken up into a house fire, a an urban wildfire, firestorm, whatever you want to call it, a wilderness wildfire. You know, there are all sorts of fires going on, from small ones to big ones to local ones to however it's going to affect you. And that also includes ones that don't physically in your area affect you, but the smoke and stuff from other areas does affect you. All right. So work out your fire survival plans and all the different little types that you want to add to it. But I would definitely work on one for your home and then one for a firestorm in your area as well. All right. And if you're wondering about why, about all that, look back a couple of years of what happened in Santa Rosa, California, where big sections of the city burnt down when a wildfire moved into the suburbs and caused a suburban wildfire storm. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and grow some good, wholesome food at home.